Welcome everyone. My name is Asis Wasil. I'm a professional Gohighlevel expert with a lot of years experience working with numerous clients. I just want to walk you through how I can help you manage your account and also how I integrate this account with Facebook ADS so and update the ADS data set. So I just want to walk you through. So let's go. Then go. Instant. Okay, instant form is there. I don't need to go to the face. So instant tools. Okay. This is it. Intro. I think I don't want intro. Intro. Question. Okay, consultation. Category custom field. We need number. Custom field. Custom field. User custom field. Need number. Custom field. Need 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 need. I think phone number is okay. Okay, privacy link for the pricing is CRM link, the website link, privacy link from this account. Privacy, privacy, it's privacy link. Okay, then complete. Yes, thank you. You can okay. Go to. You don't need to go to anywhere. You can visit our website. Our main website is here. This one, this one will go to our main website, which is here. Which is here. Okay. So the setting restriction, let people can deliver. See. Okay, that's feed name. That's feed name, email, this email. So and the phone number, the everything, then can set the email, you can set anything, then create. So one is there already. One is there already. This is the one we create. This is the one we create. Okay. You don't need to download anything. So we want to use this one inside our automation and also inside our main form. Go to from setting, go to setting. From setting, you will go to integration. From integration, you will see your Facebook that is connected. Actually, you need to do some a so you will see connect your things after connected, then go to form field like this, then mapping the okay you can see so then save. So after save it will automatically map, then go to our automation. I need to set up the form feed automation, the API conversation, then the new API when submitted, when form submitted, which from it is wait a little bit. So which page, this page, from this form, then save the trigger, then your trigger events, everything. We have already set the custom value for this. So I will show you how where you can get your one, then save. So after save, then move, then to move from there to lead nurture, lead nurture, lead nurture, 30 days sequence. Let me check this one. Let me sure that this sequence Facebook. Okay, this one is intact. This one is intact. That's to open. Give me a little bit. Give me a little bit. Give me. And I'm going to our sys pipeline sequence. Let's go to from feed. Go to this page. Slash. Select the page, which is this page. Then filter form is this form. Then save the trigger. Then save. So the it will automatically update the pipeline, then send internal notification. So we have already set up everything here according to our setting up. Then wait after then first email will go out. So after first email will go out, the you can see. So we have set the first mail. So we have set up everything already. Then to get your to link your Gohighlevel your CRM to Gohighlevel, you just need to come to this place. Okay, lead event manager. Then from your event manager, give me a little bit time. I'm still working on this account because I have a lot of accounts that I want to upload. So inside this CRM. Okay. So let's move. Event manager, we are there. Give me time. Let me refresh the page. Then then add your data. Then after add data, you need to select the page that are the your data sets, your pixel that you want to work on. You need to select it here. If you don't have, you create your pixel here. Create your pixel account. Then go to tools. Then you see where you can create a pixel account. We have a lot of pixel accounts here. So this is where we want to work on. So this is where we want to work on. That is it. Now this is the, so you can see that this is connected with CRM. You see it here. You can see connected with CRM. So then if you want to get your API key or your token, you generate token here from your key. You generate it here, conversation key. You generate it here. Click start. Then from there you set manually. Then you generate your key. Then you use it for that key for the custom value that we selected here. So that's how it works. Account and create the pixels, account CRM, connected their CRM and manage Gohighlevel CRM together and help you migrate your accounts from one place to another. So if you have any client that's I can help you manage, or I can help you set up your full account, you can contacted me on my email that will be in this description of this video, or my video or my WhatsApp number. You can contact me or chat me on WhatsApp or call me from this number +234 080 52 76 30 75 +234 80 52 76 30 75. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all.